Hello everybody and welcome to your very first Java development tutorial. Now before we get started you're going to need something called the JDK or the Java Development Kit, and that will allow your computer to compile the code that we're going to write into a readable version that it can execute. So to get the JDK, go ahead and click the big Java download button, which will link you to the next page to decide which version is right for you. Are you on Linux, Mac, Windows, whatever. Just make sure you click the accept license agreement and click which version is right for you. Once you've done that, you should see this little download pop up here, and once that's installed, just click it. A little wizard will pop up, click next, yes, I agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll be ready for the next step. If you click your download link and hit run and nothing happens, well that means you've downloaded the wrong version, so try a different version. Once Java's finished installing, hit Windows and R at the same time and type in cmd. That will bring up the command line. We'll be using a lot of the command line in these tutorials. So type in Java C, that means Java Compiler, and hit enter. Now if you get this coming up, that means we haven't quite finished installing Java yet, but if you get a bunch of crap coming up here, that means you're ready for the next tutorial because Java has successfully installed. Now if you're like me and your computer is asking you what the heck Java C is, you need to tell the computer exactly where to find the Java compiler. So go into your main hard drive. Mine is the C drive, but yours might be a D drive, E drive, whatever. And now Java is going to be either in Program Files or Program Files 86. You might have to look in both of these folders. Mine's in Program Files 86. Select Java, select the version of the JDK that you're going to be using, and go into the bin folder. Now, right-click on any of these programs here, and bring up Properties. You'll notice the location, and this is exactly where your Java JDK compiler is. So select this, right-click, and we're going to copy this file location here. So the next, and hopefully final step, is to add that path so that the computer knows exactly where the Java compiler is. So bring up your Start menu and type in Advanced System Settings. Here we go, and hit enter. Now, we want to add a new environment variable, which is going to tell the computer exactly where to find the Java compiler. So hit that, and then hit new. Now, what is the variable name? Well, the variable is a path. So type in path to the variable name, and the value will be the actual path itself. So hit OK again, and OK again. Now the Java compiler should work. If we open up a new CMD, the Java compiler should now work. And there you go. If you're still getting the old message, then you haven't installed it properly. Just go back and try to add the path again and it should work. So congratulations for successfully installing the JDK. Make sure you stick around for the next tutorial because we're going to be jumping right into some code. And also subscribe. If you would like to learn some different languages, make sure you leave a comment because I know a whole bunch of them and I'll get to making some of those as well.